Trade between Africa and India has increased more than eightfold from the US 7.2 billion in 2001 to US 59.9 billion in 2017, making India Africa fourth largest national trading partner, accounting for more than 6.4% of total African trade in 2017, up to from 2.7% in 2001. India-Africa trade has touched 62.6 billion USD for 2017 and 18. India hoped that its two-way trade with Africa would reach 150 billion USD in the next 5 years from the 62 billion USD currently. Ministry of State for Commerce and Industry C.R. Chaudhary said during the current level of trade is widely seen as a way below the potential. African region is properly utilize the duty-free tariff preference scheme to boost up trade between the two regions. Under the scheme, import of most all product from the least developed country to India attract lower or zero duties. CII Exim Bank Conclave in March 2018, Minister said he is confident that India-Africa bilateral trade can touch 150 billion USD in the next 5 years. To begin with, the trade can increase sharply if African LDC can optimize use of the facility of DFTP duty-free tariff preference. The India-Africa Knowledge Consortium proposed, accepted and formed on 17 August 2017 by all of the core committee members of the Innovation Society and its sister company under dynamic leadership of Professor Repu Ranjan Sinha is in consultants with founder members and originated in the front the Indian and African delegates of India-Africa ICT Summit and Award 2017. Consortium launched during the summit held on 1st and 2nd December 2017 at Hotel Ramada Central, Gurgaon, Delhi, National Capital Regions during Asia-Africa Development Council General Assembly. The India-Africa Knowledge Consortium formed to facilitate networking among leaders, corporate houses, manufacturers, service providers and consultant startups from the Indian and African countries. It paved the way for the business liaising between both the regions through the information sharing and generating ideas that conquer challenges. It provides a powerful impetus to mobilize Indian investors to invest strategically in the various sectors of African countries and attract entrepreneurs, startups from African continent to gain expertise from the Indian economy and resources. The vision of the India-Africa Knowledge Consortium is to support the target led by the Asia-Africa Growth Corridor Framework for the socio-economic connectivity between the two regions, and thus toward this end the 2018 India-Africa ICT Summit exhibitions and directory has been launched. Socio-economic connectivity is possible with the effective utilization of information and communication technology in information dissemination and deliberation. This, in turn, is further fortified with the support of ICT vendors, ICT agency, authority, CEO of the major telecommunication companies and internet service providers, leading ICT investors, consultants, ICT lawyers, attorney, ICT knowledge providers from the academia and corporate, and the involvement of ICT minister of the border region is almost required. The basic aim of Knowledge Consortium is to promote research and enable networking, expedite activity that supporting transformation of the various trade and business between Indian and African country, to fight cybercrime and supporting Indo-African exchange programs, consortium originating, organizing various exchange programs for ICT scholars, ICT investors, and base ICT students. Consortium supporting entrepreneurs, startup of African continent. Consortium publish an annual trade directory. Consortium supporting technology park establishment in South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Nigeria under various trade council. Development cooperation project, quality infrastructure and institutional connectivity, enhancing skill and people to people partnership. Consortium also organizing India Africa ICT based study conference in India to facilitate African students to visit ICT park and ICT companies in India and do networking and share ideas. India Africa Knowledge Consortium provide a networking, recognitions, transformations, information exchange, event promotion platform for various business to government, trader and investors. The Knowledge Consortium provide a singular platform for Indian and African merchants who want to expand business and trade relations between Indian and African country to in line with both the country trade policy with respect of business ethics and values. Here, client can enlist their country products and services and do trade and business promotion activity to boost up financial balance sheets. Consortium inviting business proposals, investors for Uganda, Rwanda, Nigeria, South Sudan and India in the areas of ICT infrastructure development, agriculture, trade and consultancy firms, power sector, renewable energy, medical and health, agribusiness, fashion products, apparel, tourism, mining, education to support respective country business with ethics and policy. Our impaneled expert consultant are available to provide necessary support and assistance for business promotion, branding and trade promotion. Consortium also conducting and promoting product and service of global client, facilitating business creation, networking, trade show, product launch and marketing through summit and convention for their client requirement. India Africa Knowledge Consortium consultants are bound to serve, boost up bilateral relationship between two continents through trade promotions, information exchange, summit, convention in line with United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, India at the 75 Sustainable Development Growth Index, African Union Agenda 2063 and Uganda Development Agenda 2040. Consortium inviting business development consultant, investors for the South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Nigeria and India who are intent to do business and establishment of their offshore center in India and or respective country and their respective domain. Let's join us, be the part of us.